Okay, this is the first cooking video I've ever done, so we're gonna make picadillo. So you'll need some tomato sauce, beef broth, and I put jalapeno, green bell pepper, garlic, and potato. You'll need ground beef, of course, and that's defrosting right now. Sometimes you can put onion in this if you like, and then some other flavors and spices, and we'll do that in just a second. Okay, we're obviously browning the ground meat here, and we're gonna add in all these ingredients. That's about a 3/4 of a bell pepper, 1 jalapeno with the seeds removed, 2 potatoes, 3 garlic cloves, and then we're gonna add in some, about a teaspoon of each of these: salt, black pepper, and cumin. That's what that is, cumin. And then we'll add in about 8 ounces of tomato sauce and a 1.5 cups of beef broth. And we'll add that in here, cover it with that lid there for about 10 minutes, and then cook it uncovered for another 10 minutes and see what it looks like. All right. Okay, I've added all the ingredients. I put 1 cup of tomato sauce, that canned beef broth. This is going to be a spicy recipe with a jalapeno, and we still need to add in some spices for some ingredients. All right, so it's cooking on medium heat, and just if you want to know what spices I added, again, salt, pepper, cumin. Some people would put coriander, bay leaf. Put about a teaspoon of each, which you can season to taste. And so I'll let this go for a while, hoping those potatoes get done. And then we'll take the cover off after about 10 minutes, and then cook it for another 10 minutes or so, and try it out. Okay, sorry it's so loud, but that's on. So here it is. It's kind of still medium heat. You want this liquid to subside a little bit, so you want to cook it down some more. We've already gone about maybe 15 minutes with the lid on, and so we're just starting to get the lid off. So you want to play with it a little bit to make sure all that liquid gets absorbed into all the vegetables and goodies and everything. So once it's done, we'll plate it up and maybe have some flour tortillas with it and see what it tastes like. Okay, as you can see, the liquid is starting to blend in with everything, and we are heating up some tortillas in our cast iron skillet. We're going to try this out. So if you have any questions, please comment below. I kind of gave the recipe. It's kind of a made-up recipe. Again, a lot of people like to add onion. I put a little onion powder at the end. But if you have any questions, reach out.